guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jose the Cruise Lover, and today I am at home. I'm gonna prepare a special dish with the leftover that you have from the Chinese restaurant, because sometimes you don't know what to do with the white rice that you receive from the Chinese restaurant. So you receive a small package like this and you don't know what to do with that. Most of the time you threw it away in the garbage, but I'm gonna give you a good tip what to do with this rice. Here are the ingredients that you're gonna need to prepare that special fried rice at home from the leftover from your Chinese restaurant. The first things that you're gonna have, I'm gonna cut a little bit of cilantro, like I did this. You have to wash the cilantro very well with water. You cut it. Second, you're gonna prepare some scrambled eggs. You're gonna prepare a part in a pan, your scrambled egg with a little bit of oil or butter. Second, you're gonna cut some onions and green onions to do a little good taste with vegetable to your Chinese rice. Second, you're gonna cut some chickens, not that much. You're gonna cut it in small pieces. And you're gonna have, if you want, you can have some shrimp already clean, and you have to take the tails off, so it's gonna be better. So when you're gonna eat it, you're gonna be good. So for the next step that you're gonna have is a special ingredients that is gonna provide you good taste to the rice. The first one, you need to use olive oil. You will need ajo, which is in English is garlic. Sorry, my English sometimes, you know. You're gonna have ranchero. You can find this in Walmart or in your preferred Latin supermarket located nearby. You're gonna have a little cajun if you want that spicy flavor. This is really good, cajun style. Obviously, you need adobo. I don't know how to say adobo in English, but it's like all-purpose seasoning from Goya. Si es Goya, it's better. And you're gonna use, I bought this in the supermarket, a stir-fried classic sauce that is gonna provide you with an Asian flavor that is gonna be unforgettable. Okay, let's start with the cooking. The first thing that you're gonna need is a special pan like this that people use to do the Chinese or the fried rice, you know, that kind of, it's gonna give you like more movement to do everything together. So you need one big like this one. So the first thing that you're gonna do is to put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. And because the chicken takes a little longer to cook, so we are gonna start with the chicken and then we are gonna put the shrimp. We put first the chicken. And you're gonna start putting the condiment that you're gonna need according with your flavor what you want. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic, a little bit of adobo, a little bit of ranchero, not that much, just a little bit to give you like a good taste. You're gonna put a little bit of ranchero, just a little bit. And you're going to mix it. You start with the chicken and then with the shrimp. I'm gonna put now the shrimp, and you continue putting together, and we are gonna put more condiments. Hi guys, I wanna say thank you one more time to all of my followers, because you're helping me to continue growing my YouTube channels. If you like all my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is what I do at home when I'm not traveling in the cruise or traveling around the world. So I'm gonna continue posting more videos about traveling, about more cruises, and more videos about cooking at home. Thank you all for your help. After you cook everything, the chicken and the shrimp, you're gonna put the special flavor with the stir-fry classic sauce from, this is House of Tea Sand. You can buy any brand that you like or any flavor in the supermarket. You have a variety of flavors. I choose this one, so I like this one too. So you're gonna put a little bit. It's gonna give you that Asian flavor that is gonna be special for your fried rice. You put a little bit and you continue cooking a little bit more. Once you cook everything and the sauce is already marinated, or your ingredients, you're gonna put at the end the onion and the green onions. So it's gonna give you at the end like a little bit crunchy in the rice. It's gonna be the perfect taste. You cook it a little bit more and that's it. Okay, this is the moment, the final moment that we are gonna add the white rice that you received from your leftover from the Chinese restaurant, or it could be the special fried rice, the shrimp fried rice, or milk fried rice. Whatever is left over from your dinner last night, this is the rice that you're gonna use and that you're gonna complement with the rest of the ingredients that we have been cooking. We're gonna put now the rice. We put everything in here and we are gonna continue cooking a little bit more. And at the end we are gonna put the eggs and the cilantro. The rice is looking really good. You can see nothing to envy to the Chinese restaurant. And now we are gonna add the rice that we already prepared. And we are gonna put a little bit of cilantro that is gonna give you the perfect flavor. And you're gonna continue cooking a little bit more, so to make sure the cilantro and the eggs is not gonna be like overcooked, you know. So this is almost done, this is almost over. It's gonna be delicious. You're gonna have a special dinner or lunch, whatever you're cooking for. And I'm gonna put a little bit more cilantro because I love cilantro flavor. I love it. So, and let's wait to the end. The rice is done. It's looking really good. You can see here in the camera how it's looking. The rice is looking good. You can see with all the ingredients, the colorful. It looks amazing. Now we are gonna serve a little bit and you're gonna see my place. This is what I'm gonna have today for lunch. It's gonna be a good lunch. This is much better than in the restaurant. You can see. If you like this video and for more videos like this and about traveling, please follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.